Terrence.
Terrence.
You're sweet and you're adorable. And look, I'm texting you. See? Yeah. And I want more Dr. Pepper.
Me too.
Will you go downstairs and get some? It's not in the fridge or the kitchen. When you get downstairs, down the stairs, you go into where the living room is. You know where the garage was?
No.
Where we walked
Yes.
in? Go to the laundry room. You'll see the laundry room. It will be on your this side. Your right.
Really, where's the laundry room?
If you go into the hallway right there, right by the garage, it will be your second door on your right, and there will be a refrigerator. Okay, now that I explained that to her, you are a cool person, and you're sweet, and I hope we hang out soon again, because I love you, and I like our late night phone calls, because I don't know. But, yeah, I'll just keep texting you.